Everybody, Pastor Ebenezer Kiluba here, Senior Pastor of JTL South Africa, and I'm also joining the My Word Challenge, which is speaking about words that have inspired us from the teachings of Reverend Kiluba or Kiluba. I believe there is something that everybody can actually, agree with me, is that Pastor Kiluba, Reverend Kiluba or Kiluba, as we love to call him, Rev Kiluba, our Rev. He is a Jesus man. He is a Jesus preacher, because when you look at most of the sermons, they have something in common. They never lack the name of Jesus. Maybe his themes, and one of the words that have marked me when he was one day speaking to us with another man of God with these words for Africa. And this is what he said: the best thing that happened to Africa is Jesus. And that is just one